নাম্বার হচ্ছে 10 ট্রিলিয়ন টু 30 ট্রিলিয়ন। অর্থাৎ আমি একটু বলে দিই, যারা অঙ্কে যদি কেউ থাকো বুঝতে পারবে, মিলে একটা সেল জীবনটা শুরু হয়, যেটাকে বলা হয় জাইগোট।
I never had such a unique experience before, because most of the times I'm involved in classroom teaching in a completely different setup, where I have a board, chalk, and other kind of infrastructures like PowerPoint presentation, etc. But so when they approached me, the students approached me to give a small popular lecture in this setup, I immediately accepted it and decided to spend some time.
A new kind of challenge actually. Previously we used to teach a captive group of students. Now this kind of initiation we have to address a varied group. In that case we have to actually tell them about our subject in a different way. That is the challenge. As I teach communication, and it's very common to all the students whether they studying communication or not. So I tried actually to share a communication theory with them in a different way, and I actually tried to place the matter in a way with their familiar experiences, so that they can understand the essence actually.
So I think this is happening, that the students who are not from the same background are sitting together and learning about the same things. It creates a possibility of an intersectional discourse as well.
It's a bit difficult because of the constant noise of the traffic passing by, and also due to the humid weather which we were sitting in. So but the thing is, when the subject matter which is being taught, if it is interesting enough, I found it really not very difficult to concentrate actually.
I really love this unique experience, and I would definitely love to teach one more time if I am invited.